Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're anything like me, you probably like shiny things when you go to the store, and probably picked one of these up from one of the warehouse stores and thought to yourself, that'll look really nice once put up. What I neglected to mention, well, to consider was the fact that they don't stay up there by themselves. And in addition to buying a light like this, you're gonna need to buy a string kit. So this is got this on Amazon after the fact, and this is 164 feet of stainless steel cable. I think it's 1/16 of an inch with a like a plastic core. And it came with a lot of stainless steel, 304 stainless steel hardware, which is really convenient. And just to show you what it looks like, this is, oh, the backlight is killing it. So I'll do a night shot later. Right now it's kind of ghetto, but I'll fix that later. So you're gonna need to string a cable as a support, and then afterwards you can mount these lights onto the cabling. So wanted to show you that real quick. I'll show you a night shot of what it looks like. It's really nice. I really enjoy it, and just as an informational video to remind you to remember to get a structural cable to hold it all up. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.